So in this video, I'm going to show you what everyone likes to see is that's the actual extraction part of the interior cleaning process. So on the seats, floor mats, and carpeting. These are over different customers that we serviced over the last week or so that I was able to record. So it's just going to be the actual extraction part. That's what everyone likes to see. If you're interested in the tools and products that we're using, just check the description box down below and I'll have everything linked out for you right there. And quick announcement that SEO for Detailers, my online marketing course to help you rank your website on the first page of Google, is closing today, August 17th. So if you're interested in growing your detailing business, check the description box down below as well, or in the comment section to check out more details about the program. But let's go ahead and get started with the video.
Hey, already ready though. Damn. Smoke in here, so I think that's on everything. I get you better on come right here. Yeah, 50-50.
And just to give a bit of context on these cleaning is that yes, some of these are pretty bad, but they don't take us 4 or 5, 6 hours. Most of these, actually, I'd say 90% of the interior cleanings that we do, we finish within 2 hours. So we're not taking all day, and we do anywhere between 1 to 2 to 3 of these per day, depending on how we schedule it. So just for the detailers that are watching this, it doesn't take all day. It may take 2.5 hours to complete these jobs, and then we're on to the next one.
Pretty good. Wait.
And yes, we are using the Aqua Provac extractor. I've been using it over the last 2.5, 3-ish years. It's been working great. It's not the best extractor, not the most powerful extractor, not the biggest extractor, but for the price point and what it does, I highly do recommend it, especially for like an entry level type extractor. You can go for the Mighty Light 8070, which is like $1,200, but you have to spend $1,200 versus this one I think is like $475 around there. So again, not the best, but it's great for what it is.
It's a lot better. Probably gonna hit that middle thing again. Because it's a little bit. Right there again. God dang. That's a while. I have to hit it again, huh?
I guess we will.
Hold on. See that little spot in the middle? Yeah, right here. Right here. I'm trying to get it. Yeah, that's nice. pretty good. Ah.
All right, and that's gonna end the video right there. Yes, they were pretty dirty. I don't record as many interiors anymore, like at least the entire cleaning, just because that's not really the direction of the channel that I'm taking it. But I will make these videos periodically where I just get enough content where I can just fit it all into one video. So let me know your thoughts if you want me to keep on doing that. It won't be that consistent, but a couple times per month, I will make some videos like this. Again, if you want to check all the links to the tools and products that I'm using, or if you want to check out SEO for Detailers, my online marketing course, then check in the description box. Check in the description box or in the comment section. I'll have everything linked up there. Other than that, let me know your thoughts, questions, concerns, and I'll see you on the next one.